This is going to be my super sped up little tutorial snippet video, whatever you want to call it, of very simple repair on this restoration tablecloth. What I'm doing right now is taking out the old work that was fraying and pulling that out and threading it through the needle to work it into a pre-existing chain. Okay, sorry about the gap. What I'm doing now is attaching this piece of thread to this chain, and I'm going to just chain, simple chain 6. And then I'm going to attach it to the top of the double crochet. I tie it off. Now I'm going to do what I did before with the original thread, which is to work it into one of the chains. This is a very tedious process. I like to always try to end around the top of this flower petal because it's a very weak part of the tablecloth. And if I can wrap around it once or twice, then it will reinforce that area. And I'm just going to snip it right there. I'm going to thread my thread again onto my needle. And I'm going to work my way up this chain. I'm trying to find the weakest chain to reinforce.